think I seen him earlier, but I'm not sure. Excuse me, bro. Oh, that's hot. That's nice, man. Damn. Man. I think that's the hardest Civic in NC.
Well, it might.
Nah, that's tough right there.
Yeah, it's tough.
Second floor, bro. Think about that bitch. I want to see what you can do. That's gonna go out right in there. It doesn't. It's literally like.
Got the little 350 right here.
Bro, in 5 years, you're gonna have way better cars than me.
Who, me?
Yeah,
You think so?
Keep doing the YouTube shit, bro.
You think I'm gonna have way better cars in 5 years?
Tell me.
Nah. I think so too, but I ain't gonna be cocky like that, but you know, I hope so though. Yeah. I really wanted a G35. Yeah, that's the one right there. I couldn't find a good one for a good price. Drones out there. G37.
That's crazy though. You get the whole goddamn. You know what you need to do? You need to send that to the mom.
You know, I got a Z, so I gotta check the Z's out.
They got the steering wheel hanging in front of the bed.
I know. Yeah. You can take off and put on.
No, hit that. Hit it.
Nice BRZ. Or is it FRS? My boy SRT8.
That's it?
Yeah. My boy SRT8 roster pulled up.
One day.
Takes time, man. You get it. Drone. Oh yeah, my bro SRT roster pulled up. SRT, he shot me though. He shot me. That's his bro right there.
Right here.
Yeah, I think he got the
You ever got a
Camaro.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, I just started.
I just started too.
Yeah.
God damn, son. I don't even want one.
Yeah, that's definitely gonna be good.
This is damn. He said I would
Yeah, I
not
just
scream.
peeked the car up.
I did not beat that.
The what?
Oh shit, you heard it. Oh, see, she got good advice.
All right, Danny. You know what's my favorite question?
I know, right?
The police is here.
And they worried about that. Why, bro?
You already know R to the Z, Raleigh News, you know, it's R to the Z shit now, but we still up and about, the new name, same thing, type shit.
Okay. Hey, when you go host another meet though?
Shit, we outside tonight, you feel me? We go after this with this in at 9, we going straight to the city with it, you feel me?
Word.
Damn, you know it.
My boy birthday is in what? How many more hours?
A few hours.
A few more hours, man. My boy turned big 26. Busy
pop it out for you.
Yeah, you gotta turn out for his birthday, man.
Spinning, we is winning straight gauge.
I
Appreciate it.
Big 26.
Appreciate that.
Hours, bro.
26.
What's going on, bro?
This shit wild. Yeah, we'll be checking that Raleigh meet out. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Everybody got switched the fuck up, so.
Y'all put the addresses in the chat and shit. Motherfuckers pop out, they pop out. We had hella cars at the first spot.
I know that shit rap like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Which one? Mustang or the Mustang?
I'm joking.
He got the leg maker intake on that shit.
I don't even know what that is, boy.
Just know that's a filthy ass intake. That's all I gotta say. That shit. This dude, he chill though. I need to find the other nigga.
Oh, I feel with that Patriots, you already know the Patriots gotta pop out, man.
Oh, man.
Best team in the NFL right now.
It's-
Now we gonna get our ass whooped, bro. Don't be hating on the Patriots. I'm a Patriots fan. Oh, for real?
Hey. Nah, it's all about it. Nah, it's all about that Miami Dolphins.
Oh, y'all motherfuckers was hard 1 year.
What's that movie called? Born the Race? Yeah. That shit's good.
It was
to go talk to the Z's, bro.
It was a lot at the other spot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we need more, y'all.
It's always a different. You see the tail light? Always a different tail light. When have you ever been? You had a Audi. Yeah, who is it? Audi. He said, come on, I want to do it too.
I know. Bro, them shit's clean, bro. When I saw him got that for the first time, I was like, yo, what the fuck? They said they going to hold brother me right after this meet. And plus,
That's my boy, SRT Rosters.
My boy Rizzy's birthday
you know
about
what
to be
I'm
in
saying?
Tussle.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
So yeah, he turned a big 26.
SRT 8, yeah, bit 26.
Big 26.
SRT 8 roster.
Yeah.
You know, that's his friend. That's me. That's my boy Rezo right here. You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir, yeah.
370Z Nismo.
You guys have
Say it again, what's that?
Gas, grass, or ass. Need that shit.
That shit look like a little Hot Wheel toy, man. Pulled out the trucks right here. Ford Raptor. That's all you, bro.
I give it, I say about 5 to 10 years. I'm going to end up getting this.
I feel you, man. You go get it one day. I can't tell if this a BRZ or a FRS. But I like the wing. Wing is hot, tight. Huge ass wing. Blazing hot. I did a hot wing challenge, you know, and passed it. Oh no. Oh no.
Boy, that hour right now, that hour is saving him back, like saving his ass right now. Not to get, you know what I'm saying, get the punches in. We gotta get our licks in on him.
Oh
So,
no,
y'all know. But
I got
I'ma go
my.
ahead and end this
It's
video.
all good. I got my shooter right here. You know what I'm saying?
Go out there and check it out.
What's good, everybody? This your boy Area 51 Rizzy. Back with you with another video. What's name? I went to a car meet today, as y'all can see. But yeah, went to a car meet. Shout out to Clayton and Smith. Clayton and Smithfield meets. Yeah, I never really been to a Clayton and Smithfield like that, and this is my first time going to their meets or whatever. And yeah, that was my first meet since I want to say January. I went to a huge meet in January. That mess was crazy. It was from I think 7 p.m. to like 6 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, epic crazy. But yeah, and I took my Z to my first meet too, and yeah. So I saw his first meet, a little chill meet, you know, or whatever. And I'm a little freshed out just because my birthday is in a few hours. Big 26, you know. So yes. Yeah, so enjoy the video. No. Before you start the video, shout out to my friends that was there. My boy L Man, he do beats and all that. My boy Razor7, my boy SRT Roster. Or SRT8 Roster. So shout out to them. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. And depending on how much the video does, I do more. But I'm gonna do more regardless. So, but give this video a thumbs up and comment anything and share it and enjoy. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.